Good morning, crewmates and crew members. Welcome back to the channel, LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. Guys, today it's the middle of June. It's about 70 degrees. It's not supposed to get up low 70s today. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 8 a.m. and I am at Shady Meadows Trophy Trout Stream. Going to be fishing the lower section in Woodlawn, Virginia. I've got a couple crewmate cousins that are supposed to be coming sometime today, but they're running late. They got things to do, so I'm going to be fishing it this morning for a few hours by myself. It is Trophy Trout Week at Crooked Creek, but I'd rather fish this place by myself than be in a crowd any day. Wish me luck, LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. I'm very, very excited. Let's go. All right, guys. We're gonna start at the top here, the old swimming hole. They've had some storms the past few days, and there's some storms coming. Hopefully they will miss us and we'll be able to stock today. If we don't get to stock it today, we'll possibly stock it tomorrow. But as you can tell, the water is up pretty good right now. It is up pretty good and dirty, which I don't mind it being up or dirty. May have to put my chest waders on. We'll see how deep it is right here, but we're gonna start right in here. All right, guys, since it's pretty dirty, we're gonna start off throwing this Berkeley Power Bait 4-inch pink worm here. I may end up putting a split shot on it. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we'll see what happens. Right now I got my float about 2 feet. I may have to go a little bit longer. May have to go a little longer. We'll see what happens here. First run here. I may make it a little bit longer. Right now I got it going right down the center here. Right down the center. Kind of eddies out a little bit there and then it picks back up. First run down the center here with the big old pink worm. It is scented, so that jig head will help get it down there a little deeper or where I want it. I just don't know how deep it really is. Alright, guys, just broke one off. I'm very sad because I retied everything last night, put new line on. First fish, which was a big one, broke it off. Very disappointing. And he was sitting way down there on the very end of this hole. He didn't really feel the hook set much at all, I don't think, so he might eat again. We'll know if he's got a pink worm in his mouth, and that might be a fish right there. Yeah, he's eating it. All right, I got him. I got him. I don't know how big it is. It's coming right to me right now. Not too big. And I don't have my net. I left my net in the truck. Alright, net's in the back of the truck. Solid little first fish of the day. Let's go on this side of this run. I fished the middle and far side, but I hadn't really fished the closer side to me. It's gonna be a fish. Oh, hang up. Nope, it's a fish right there. That's a little bigger. Caught him right in front of us, guys. Another great size eating fish here. Beautiful fish right here. Beautiful fish. Come here, big guy. Oh, he's splashing me good, guys. I mean good. I know there's water on the camera. Phew, I got wet on that one. I got wet. Wet, 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 wet. Pretty colors on this rainbow. Pretty colors. Hold still, big guy. You're going right back in. Thanks for the fight, big guy. Awesome. Oh, he's getting hit again down here. Might be a big one. Awesome. Alright. Sounded solid. That's perfect size right there. Little fatty. Awesome. Alright, here's a pretty little spot. Right over against the bank. There he is. That ain't no monster. But I'll take it. Oh, quick release. Take that all day. Alright guys, strategic maneuver. Big storm is coming. So we're going to try and fish this last hole before it hits here. We got about an hour, maybe if we're lucky. Wish us luck. Alright, Riff's got a bite over here. We switched up to power bait. See if you can catch a trout over here in this muddy water. If it's a trout. Might be a chubby chub. Nice trout on the power bait. So folks, if it's muddy as can be, don't forget about your power bait. That's a nice trout. He worked hard for that fish. Nice 2.5 pounder. You don't even have your net, do you? Awesome. He's on again over there with the power bait. I'm going to have to switch sides. Hopefully it's a big one. That fish is swimming up the stream with it. He just missed one. Is that bigger, you think? Can't tell because of the current. It's a good fish. If it looked that big there, it's really big. You want me to throw that net over there to you?
No. I can handle him over here.
Take him up on the bank.
Yeah.
Well, rookie mistake over there by crewmate cousin Revis. No net. How big is it?
He looks 3.5.
He's gonna be bigger than that. Awesome. Alright, like I said, go to that power bait, get it down on the bottom when it's muddy, muddy, muddy. Extra split shots. Get that scent and color down there to them. Awesome. That's a big fish. Came a big storm.
bring that big net.
Was it in your truck? Oh, you didn't bring a truck, did you?
No.
Awesome. What test you got? 4 or 6? 4. That's awesome. Taking his time so I can't fish. That's disrespectful. What are you gonna do? Just grab him by the gill or lip? He is keeping fish today, so don't panic, people. Awesome. Worm or power bait?
Power bait.
Alright. Rev's getting hit here on the power bait again. Power bait's been the go-to in this really muddy, flowing water here. He's hitting it good now. Nice. That's funny, I threw a spinner in there 20, 30 times and pink trout worm 20 times. Nothing. Coming in there with some power bait on the bottom.
We got a bitty one.
It's a good eater.
Yeah.
Pretty fish.
Perfect eating size.
Awesome. Well, still a big guy. Nice colors. Awesome.